Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick but super valuable update. ChatGPT Go is now free for users in India for 1 full year. Yes, you heard that right. OpenAI has officially made this available, and here's exactly how you can grab it. First, log into your ChatGPT account. Right after logging in, you'll see a pop-up that says Try Go Free. Just click on that button and you'll be redirected to the subscription page. Now, here's the important part. Apart from using credit or debit cards, Indian users can also subscribe using their UPI ID, which makes the process super easy. Once you enter your UPI ID, you'll instantly get an autopay setup notification in your UPI app. Just approve the payment request and boom, your ChatGPT Go plan will be activated immediately. You'll also receive a confirmation email from OpenAI, and if you want to double check, simply head over to Account Settings to see your active plan details. Now, let's talk about what makes this Go plan really worth it. With ChatGPT Go, you get extended access to GPT-5, meaning you can use the same powerful model as the premium users. It also gives you faster response times, priority access during high traffic, and expanded message and file upload limits, which is perfect for those who use ChatGPT for content creation, coding, or document analysis. And that's not all. The Go plan also supports image generation, faster browsing, and access to custom GPTs, where you can explore hundreds of AI assistants for specific tasks. So, if you're in India, don't miss this chance. This is a rare opportunity to experience premium ChatGPT features completely free for an entire year. Go grab it now before it expires, and make sure to explore the tools, from generating stunning images to using GPT-5 for smarter and faster results. That's all for today's quick update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-related updates and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.